we're looking at right here is my basic web page. You'll notice down the bottom here what I've done is I've just only centered the text at the bottom here. I haven't centered all of this. You'll see why that is later when we look at CSS. But what I want to do in this video is actually add a link from this text down here at the bottom of the page to a page that's going to have my privacy policy. Now, to make the privacy policy page, I'm kind of going to cheat. I'm going to make a copy of this page, and I'm going to call this privacy. I could just call it priv.html, keeping the name nice and short so it's easier to type. Press enter, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that page that I've just made. And if I go and find that file there, and it looks exactly the same as the other one, well, I'm going to just chop out the text in the middle to start off with. I'm going to replace that with some text that I've got here, which explains the company's privacy policy. Whoops. And I'm just going to dump that into that file right here. Now, at the moment, I'm not going to bother too much about the layout of this. I know that when I look at this on the screen, it's going to be a big mess and I need to tidy that up. But I can tidy that up just simply by adding p tags around the various lines, which I can do elsewhere. But I'm just going to save that right now. So that gives us something we can link to. So now I'll go back to my index page, which is this one here. This is the kind of website home page. And now what I want to do is turn this text here into a hyperlink. I'm going to do that using an ahref tag, like so. So I say ahref equals a